Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we apply filter on any number of widgets and any number of tabs we wish to in a dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. For applying a filter on the widgets, we'll go to the filter option on the top right hand side in the dashboard. Here we'll click on the plus icon and here we'll give a suitable name to the filter, like I'll give it country, and we'll click on this checkbox, and in the event, instead of on click, we'll click on change, and we'll go to the settings option. In the settings option, source, I'll be keeping data sets here, and display type you can select among the options. Here I'll be keeping it list box, and data set here I'll be keeping sales.cds. Condition you can select as per your own requirement among these options. Here I'll be keeping it equal to, and column name I'll be keeping country. Then we'll go to link filters and widgets option, and here we'll select the layer, that's layer 1. Now tab, we'll select the tab which on which the filter needs to be applied, and here the tab is sales tab on which we are applying the filter, so we'll select the sales tab. And the widget will select among these two widgets the widget on which we need to apply the filter, will the widget which we want to link. So here I'll select sales by country first, that is this table widget. Now I'll select the column which needs to be linked. Here I'll select country, and you'll see that country has come under linked columns and parameters. And once I do this, I'll go to the filter view. And in filter view, I will click on this plus icon above this along with this country filter and save and exit. So you'll see that we have created a filter widget over here. Now I'll just save it here and I'll go to the preview option. And now I'll select the country whose data I would like to view. That is, say for example, I have selected Germany. You'll see that the Germany data appears in the table. Same way for Norway, same way for Spain, and same for Denmark. Now, since you can see that I can simply choose a country and see the data over here without pressing on the filter button. So we do not need this filter button. So we just remove it. And how we'll do that, I'll just show you. We'll go to the edit menu of the dashboard, and then we'll go to the widget settings option over here. In the widget settings, we'll go to filter button properties, and we'll uncheck the show button option over here and click on save and exit. And you'll see that the filter button is not there anymore. And we can simply just select the country like this: Germany, Norway, Spain. Now we'll see how can we apply the same filter to this chart widget. Now for this, we'll go to the edit menu of the filter. Now we'll keep this filter as it is. You can also change it if you wish to, but I'll keep it as it is, and I'll go to the settings option. In the settings option, I'll keep all the options as it is. You can also change them, but here I'm not making any changes to them. And the display type, I will change from list box to multi-select. Then I'll go to the link filters and widgets. I'll select the layer as layer 1. Tab is sales tab, so it will be sales. And widget will be this time the chart widget, which is sales distribution. So I'll click on sales distribution, and I'll click on the column which needs to be linked, that is country. And then I'll go to the filter view and I'll click on this plus icon and save and exit. Then I'll save it here in the dashboard and go to the preview option. Now I'll see that the display type has changed, and this display type, which is multi-select, it enables us to view the data of more than one country at the same time in the widget. Like say example, I will select Germany, Norway, Spain. You'll see that you can see the data of Germany, Norway, Spain all at the same time. If I wish to add Denmark here, you'll see that you can see the data of Denmark also. I can remove Spain and add Italy. So now you'll see that the Spain has been removed and Italy has been added. So this is how you can apply filter on a chart widget, on a table widget. Now we'll see how can we apply the same filter on a widget in a different tab. Like we have a different tab with the name of profit here, and we have a pie chart widget here. Now we'll see how can we apply filter on this widget. For this, we'll again go to the edit option in the dashboard. Then we'll go to the edit menu of the filter widget. We'll keep these things as it is. We'll go to the settings option, and settings option also will keep the same. We'll go to link filters and widgets. Layer we'll select as the layer 1. Now tab is a different tab this time. It's a profit tab. So we'll select profit, and widget is yearly sale. That is the widget which is there in the profit tab. So we'll select the yearly sale. We'll select the column with which we want to link. So this is the country here I'm selecting. And once we do this, we'll go to the filter view and we'll click on this plus icon and save and exit. Now we'll save it and go to the preview mode. So now once I select Germany and I go to the profit tab, I'll see that I can see the data of Germany, which means that in Germany in the year 2016, 31.77% sale was done, and in the year 2017, 68.23% sale was done. So these 2 years, this much sale was done in Germany. Now, if I select a different country, instead of Germany, I'll select Norway. And again, I'll go to the profit. And here, when I go to the profit tab, you'll see that we can see the data for Norway now, which means that in Norway in the year 2016, 54% sale was done. In 2018, this much sale was done, and in 2017, this much sale was done. So basically, like this, you can apply the same filter on a widget in a different tab also. So this is how you can apply same filter on any number of widgets and any number of tabs you wish to in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific queries, you can mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.